Thank you, Dr. Chi. A whole cacophony of chirping. Beautiful, darling, beautiful.
This is part 4, Under the Wings 80. Private First Class Morton Goldstein, shot to death by a senior Nazi officer at the Berga concentration camp. I think it was in March of 1945. I'll check the date. I'm doing this as American President Trump has spoken fondly of Third Reich military generals for their devotion to Hitler. He stomps on the memory of 10 million people who were murdered by the Nazis and fascists during the Second World War, including American soldiers, POWs, who were executed, worked to death, beaten to death, starved. Shame on President Trump. And he's also said that Hitler did some good things, completely perverse by the president, obscene, hatred of Christianity, hatred of Judaism, hatred of Romani and Sinti and of the disabled, and so many peoples worldwide he hates. Blacks worldwide, Hispanics, Asians.
Thank you, Dr. Chi. Appreciate your feedback. Beautiful.
All right.